Hi boys and girls, it's me. We're in Kutztown. And look, I found him half off. He's coming home with me. No,
she's coming home with me.
Well, we'll work out the terms later on. So anyway, we're here, and look at all this cool stuff. We're just saying, we're here a little early, so it's a few bare tables here. Oh yeah. So you see, there's a lot of stuff out here. It's early in the morning yet. We're gonna go around and check everything out.
But the sun's out.
Thank you.
How did that, did you just build that as a radio? Or that was built as a radio?
Cut it on. Inside, it's cleaner than the outside.
Is it?
Bib, 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 bib.
I understand how you want to build up. I just wanted to ask if you would be
Pass on that. I appreciate that. Somewhere there might be one around here. You'll never see the six together.
No, it seems like I've seen another one for Village Prestige. So that's beautiful.
I know.
Yeah.
So beautiful. That's really cool. Was that the whole set the way they made it?
I believe that's the set. I mean, they never particularly sold it as a set. They
Right,
sold them all
yeah.
individually.
But still, it's cool. Yeah.
A friend of mine, I bought them from a friend of mine, and somebody, he must have bought them from somebody who put them together. I mean, these are as nice as you're ever going to find.
I know.
They should stay.
It's really nice. I'll show you why.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Glad to take it.
There you go. I don't win you that.
No, I'm just kidding. We're in the white room right now. The white room. See, the white room. You know,
Like last spring.
like last spring. Only it's a year, no, 6 months later. So we're gonna see. See, I've got a bidder ticket. See this? Now this cost me $3 to do this. But even if I don't buy anything tonight, it's gonna be worth the price of admission to see all these cool radios go out the door. So.
And there
See
are
what,
a lot.
oh yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. There's parts and tubes, and I even saw a transoceanic without a chassis. I told the guy it was a hollow state radio. So there's even that kind of stuff here. So there's gonna be all kinds of cool stuff. So let's go see what happens.
All bids are final. If there's a dispute between two bidders, I'll reopen the auction and resell the item. Everything is sold as is, where is, the way it is, just like you took your husband or your wife, for better or worse. All right, we got a sounder and 2 keys. $25 I want good for. 25. 25 on the keys.
There you go.
Where's he at?
Oh, sorry, you're taking a picture.
Yes, I am.
Oh, you're at one buck?
No, you bid. No, I don't want. I'm not bidding.
All right, $10 on the keys. I got 10, now I'm looking for
Are they
15. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 35 I got 40, 40 anywhere? 35, sir, your number? 94, might as well take them. I see no slip. Last one is the radio, $5 on the radio. 5 on the radio I got, 7.5 anywhere, 7.5 I got, 10, 12.5. No, 10 I got to you, 12.5 there. 15, yes, no, 15, 17.5, 17.5, 20, 17.5 is you, 13. Okay, handle on it, $10 on the RCA. 10 I got, 12.5, 12.5, 15, 17.5, 20, 2.5, no, 22.5, 25, 22.5 I got there, 25, 13 for 22.5. $5 on the battery set. 20 on the battery set. 10?
10 over here.
10 I got back there. 10, 12.5, 12.5, 15, 17.5, 20. See, I got there anyway. 22.5, 25, 27.5, 25 I got back there all done. 52, 32 or 52? You got Philco, Tombstone, Farm Set, 37, 38. There you go. Looks decent. Real close, a bit off the wall. Okay, there we go. $25 on the Philco. 25 on the Philco somewhere. 25 I've got. 20, 30 anywhere. 30 anywhere on the Philco. How about 27.5? No? Open this, and that ain't what to buy it. You're in no danger. I got 300, 3.5, 400, 4.5, 500, 5.5, 600, 6.5, 700, 7.5. I think we're in the clear. We're going to sell this radio. 700,
Nice.
7.5, 800, 8.5, 900, 9.5, $1,000. $1,050. $1,000 I got over here. Anybody else? Whoa, new player. 1,050. 1,100. 1,200. 1,250. 1,350. 1,400. 1,450. 1,500. You got breakfast. 1,600. 1,700. 1,800. 1,900. Boy, the Christmas party's going to be good this year. $2,000. No? You're in for 19, right? Okay, we're in for 19. Anybody else? Huh? 2,000. He's going to hit it for 2K. Up for 21. You want it? 2K. Number.
Wow.
Thank you, sir.
stopped down to see him just about 6 months ago. Stopped down to see him, and that was it. Not a thing like, I mean, gone. I talked to the neighbor, they had a number for his daughter. And you know what they did? When he died, they brought in.
Much about what it. You know, I don't care much about that one. I just thought I'd find. How about a 5-4?
I love these earrings. Is that great?
I bought this for like $20 and it broke. So it's not.
Are you going to be in the official
Big and
video?
stocky, so I don't remember exactly what they're in.
Hello.
You're going to be in the official club video.
What we got? Rabbit?
Yeah, I've got two at home.
Oh, you do?
Yep. Sit. Sit. Down.
Oh, what a good girl.
Oh, and they didn't listen.
Yeah. And all this is to make sure she doesn't run off on me.
We're going to get a big shovel and shoveling the garbage bags.
No, sure we need unplug in or something, started smoking or something. Not the main transformer, so I unplugged it. But I'm looking over what you're doing.
All right. Do it again.
You leader, boy!